So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and here is the updated guide for this particular lab. So simply click on start lab and do like the video and subscribe the channel. Once the lab is started, right click over here and open the link incognito window. Please watch till the end so that you are able to complete the lab without any issue. Now here, one more important thing I wanted to share, that instead of just signing in, if it asks for username and password, you can refer to the lab instruction and just use the username and password over here. And simply here, just click on I understand. Okay, just click on I understand. So first of all, come to the lab instruction and task number 1. You have to open this link in incognito window and it will be downloaded to your local system, means on your system. So you have to save it. Now click on it. Now from here you have to click on upload and you can simply browse and upload the file, or you can just drag and drop also from the download section. Watch the video carefully so that you are able to complete it. Okay. Now from here click on file and just click on make a copy and just click on make a copy over here. Now you have to modify the copied file. Okay, do not modify this file, modify the copied file. Now please pay attention to each and every step. Now from here click on the item sheet and just come to the top, click on view, freeze and just select one row. Now it is done. Now in the next step, what we need to do, we have to click on number of items, right click and sort A to Z. Okay, this is successfully done. Now we have to just come to the lab instruction, that is here, scroll down a bit and from here just copy this name carefully. Okay, just carefully copy it. Come over here, click on the plus icon, click on it and then just paste the name and click on anywhere else. Now come back over here and just copy the formula, right? Just paste the formula over here and now all things are done. Now from here, please pay attention. So the next thing what we have to do, first of all, let's come to the lab instruction and check the score for sort data. So if you have followed the way I have done, you'll get the score for task number 1. Now for task number 2, we have to create a filter. So from here, just click on this shell and just click on data and create a filter. Now from here, we have to just uncheck, scroll down and just uncheck this cinnamon bun. So click on it, it's done. Okay. Now we have successfully done this step, right? Now after that, what you need to do, we have to just create a filter view. Okay. So just select A1 like this. You can select. Okay. From here, just click on data, create a filter view, dismiss, and just save a view. So this is done. Now check the score for first task, second task. You'll get a score without any issue. Now from here, in the description box of this video, I've shared this GitHub repository. You have to simply download this file to your local system by clicking on this button. Now come back over here and in the copy sheet only, click on file, import, upload, browse. I can just drag and drop also. So let me just drag and drop. Click on replace spreadsheet and import data. Now come back over here to the lab instruction and simply check the score. You can check the score by navigating to that task also. But if you want to enable this yellow check my progress bar, you can check the video description. So I hope you are able to complete the lab. Do like the video and subscribe the channel and have a great day ahead.